So now we'll be looking at how we can get the same content that is on this particular presentation shapes into presentation 2. So in the previous video I showed you how to get the layout done and the background color, the logo and the footer. Okay, now we'll be just focusing on how we can get this information over here. Okay, so if you look at the first thing that we have is we have the title shapes. Okay, and this particular text has been inserted using something which we call word art. Okay, so now normally you could just come and type shapes over here, but it would appear in ordinary font. If you want something what you call more attractive or something more stylish, there is something which we can use, which is what we call word art. Okay, we click on word art and look here, we have options like this, with what they call stylish fonts. Okay, so I'm going to go with this and I'm going to be typing here in capital letters shapes. Okay, so then I'm going to get rid of this particular box. I'm going to click on the borders of it, delete it, click on this, and from the borders bring it up correctly into the center and drag this from corner to corner so that it would be correctly in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the font size. Okay, increase it. That looks much better. And over here I'm going to just say presented by the IT lab. Okay, so this is the main title, this is the subtitle. Okay, so my title slide is done, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting the content. Okay, the same thing over there. So we can simply go for a copy and paste, Control C, Control V, but I will not be copying and pasting this because these are hyperlinks and later on I have to show you how to create hyperlinks. So I'm just gonna quickly type this information over here, circles, and then we have squares, triangles, right triangle, and then we have diamond. Okay, so if you look over here, we do not need this box. Okay, this box is at the moment not necessary because nothing is appearing over here. So if you want, you can click on the border of this and press delete it. Okay, then we come to the next slide. Okay, and we can simply go for a copy and paste this time, Control C and Control V. I'm going to show you a small trick. If you want both these presentations to be side by side, what you can do is you can press Windows left and then you can keep this on the right hand side. Okay, so we can just simply come over here, Control A, Control C, come over here, Control V. You can copy this shape, Control C, Control V over here. You must be wondering what is this. This is also a hyperlink. I'll show you later on how it works, not now. Okay, so if you want to draw the shape, what you can do is you can come to insert, you can come to shapes, and you can actually click over here and you can actually draw the shape. Okay, so you can try drawing the shape. Just so that we can save time, I'm just going to go for a copy and paste right now. Okay, so the next slide, Control M, is what we have. Next one is what we have, square, Control C, Control V, Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay, and I'm going to come and copy and paste this over here. You may be wondering why I'm not copying all these slides. I'm not copying all these slides because some effects have been applied to these slides, so I don't want to copy and paste it. Then those effects are going to already have come here. I will not be able to show you how it works then. So that is why I'm just copying only the text. Okay, so Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V. Sorry. Control C, Control V, then Control M for a new slide. So I'm just going to be copying this text, Control C, Control V, Control A, Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V, Control M for new slide. And I'm just going to come and copy the last piece of text over here, diamond, copy this text over here, Control C, Control V. Okay, so just for the diamond, I'm just going to draw and show you how shapes work. You can delete this, and to show you how shapes work, you can just come into Insert Shapes, and you select the diamond shape which is over here, and you can neatly draw it over here. Okay, so then if you want to bring it to the center, you can do that over here. And if you do want to change the colors and all that, you come to shape format, and here from here you can change the color and the whatever outline or fill that you want. Over here also you can do shape effects. All that is possible. Okay, so right now what we have done is we have simply got the information into the presentation. Okay, you too can simply copy and paste if you are in a hurry, or else you can try typing it out and drawing each of these shapes. Okay, in the next video in part number 3, I'll be showing you how to put animations. Okay, animations basically means how each of these shapes are going to appear, and also we'll be learning about transition. Transition is basically how each slide is going to appear.